Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review the viral product from TikTok, which is the Cheek Bake Double End Lip Glaze. So kung gusto niyo panood tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So I've seen already, so may nakita na naman akong viral product sa TikTok. I don't know. Ngayon ko lang siya na-try kasi, ngayon ko lang siya matatry for the first time kasi, hindi, parang curious ako. Out of curiosity lang naman. So, we're gonna try this product. This is from Cheek Bake. Ito yung, kasi meron ako ng ganito. Pero, this is from JMCY. But this is from Cheek Bake. So, this is another viral product. So, I got in the shade Tomato Red. So, same packaging lang siya. Ito daw ay isa pang dupe ni Kiko Milano. Let's see. We're gonna try this. Okay. Parang ano siya. Okay. Alam nyo, si Cheek Bake, same formula siya with the JMCY. Tingnan natin kung quick ko nilalado. Kasi nakuha ko siya. Alam ko may kasama to eh. Nakuha ko siya by 180 pesos. Okay. It's more on a parehas na ng formula, pero it's more on a heavy duty siya, guys. Or hindi lang ako talaga. Mabigat siya sa feeling. Gusto ko siyang iset kasi let's say kung transfer proof siya. Ang parami na lagay. Transfer proof siya, guys. What if, lagyan natin ito. Guys. Okay. Dito na nagiging lightweight yung sa Cheek Bake. Maglalagyan mo nito. May heavy siya. Kasi, you know why it's heavy? Because Cheek Bake, because it's meant for transfer proof. Let's wait to transfer this for how many minutes? For at least 1 minute. Kasi medyo pa siya, basa. Nakikita ko si Kingman. Guys, konti transfer lang with this one. Ayun, guys. So, try natin dito. Kasi gusto ko siyang It's giving me red hot chili vibes with this shade. Maraming shades nito, guys. So, you better try this right now. So, kung hindi ko naubusan kayo ni JMCY, Cheek Bake talaga is another one choice. I'm gonna parehas na lang actually, if you tell the difference, the applicator is very different. This is the Cheek Bake one. Pakita ko sa applicator ni okay. It's very different yung applicator niya, guys. Ito kasi gamit na gamit. Alam mo si JMCY, lagi ko siyang gamit na gamit. Ito yung gamit na gamit ko pang mga party walwalan. Ito si let's see on the next few days or few weeks or consistent ko siya ginagamit si Cheek Bake. But anyways, same formula lang siya with the JMCY. Same formula lang siya. Tapos, gusto ko makita yung packaging niya. Okay. Ito ay medyo, this is a silicone applicator. Then this one is more on a parang nail polish sa packaging niya. But same vibes with this one. Maganda siya, guys. If you know the formula of JMCY, ito mas mabigat. Kung gusto mo na sobrang heavy duty, si Cheek Bake yung kunin nyo. If you want more on a matte na matte talaga, na gusto mo mabilis maset yung proof talaga, go for JMCY. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. But we are going to compare this in depth sooner or later with this one. Abangan nyo yan, guys. So, that's it for my Cheek Peek Double Lip Glaze review. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, subscribe. God bless and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.